Hi guys, are you guys able to hear my voice? Is everything loud and clear? Type yes in the chat box. If you guys can hear my voice, type yes in the chat box. When you are replying, change the reply to panelists and attendees. Okay. Prashant, Harish, Rufin, Vikas Singh. Awesome. Okay. Ami, Sushi, Bhagya Bipul Shahu. Awesome. Welcome everyone. Okay. Let me share the message inside the group and I will come back. Yeah. Done. Okay, Krishna Rao, happy evening. Happy evening too. Okay, awesome. So we have 3 minutes to start. Hope you guys are excited for this evening session, isn't it? If you guys are excited, type excited in the chat box. We will give 3 more minutes so that we can what do you call, wait for a few more people to join. Awesome, very excited. Excited, very excited. Krishna Rao, JB Archa, Sarath, Social. Awesome, fantastic. As usual, we have a jam-packed session today as well. So we are going to cover tons of things, and we are also going to talk about how to get orders as soon as your product goes live on Amazon. That is what we are going to cover today. Kaushik is saying no sound. Uh, uh, is my voice audible? Is everything loud and clear? Type clear in the chat box if it is loud and clear. Change the reply to panelists and attendees so that everybody can see. So Kaushik, please check your audio settings from your side. If possible, please use headphones. Awesome. Fantastic. We just have 2 more minutes. In 2 minutes, we will just jump in our today's session. How many of you watched this morning video, Steve Harvey's jump video? Type me in the chat box. Okay, me. Okay, tons of you. If you have not watched it yet, please, after this training, go back and watch that. Every time I post it on Sunday, I watch myself once again. It is such an, what do you call, inspiring video. Every time I go back to it, it's such an amazing video. Yeah, awesome. Fantastic. So we just have 1 more minute. We will start in 1 minute. We have tons of things to cover as usual. We will be talking about how to get orders as soon as your product goes live on Amazon. That is what we are going to cover today. Hope you guys will enjoy this today's training as well. Yeah, there is no pre-recorded training video this morning. Only the Steve Harvey's YouTube video I have shared. Only live session today. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, previous sessions videos will not be deleted. All day 1 and day 2 access will be there. You'll be able to watch it how many ever times you want. You have lifetime access. RV 109206. I don't know the name. It is just showing the numbers. Okay. If you have any questions, please keep it with you. I'm going to take all your questions at the end of this today's session as usual. So please do not post your question in the chat box. Awesome. So we are on time. Let's get started. Welcome to day 3 of Amazon Business Training class. Today we are going to talk about how to launch your product so that you will be able to get orders instantly as soon as your product goes live on Amazon. That is what we are going to cover today. I'm so excited to share this with you. Let's start with little housekeeping. Grab your notepad and pen as usual because I'm going to share tons of things today as well. Please take notes because it will be handy when you're implementing this. Your notes will be handy for you to help you along the way. Yeah. So grab a bottle of water or whatever is your favorite drink, grab it, plug in your headphones, avoid all the distraction, sit back tight, pay close attention for next 90 minutes. How many of you watched all the sessions? Watched the day one pre-recorded session and be there on live, watched day two, being there on live, and you're here for the third day. Type me in the chat box. You guys are fantastic. Me. Okay, awesome, fantastic. Watched all. Does anybody skipped any one of those sessions in between? Like you skipped one day one, you watched day two, and or you skipped day two and watched one, or you have skipped altogether and you're here straight away for day three. Like anybody like that? Type I in the chat box. Type I in the chat. Jitin, Oppo, I missed two, Arkit, Vikram, Dinesh, Bhushan, Vinod, Siddharth Verma. Okay, handful of you, tons of you. Okay, no problem, no problem. Do not worry. I have got you covered. I am going to do a quick recap of whatever we have covered so far in day one and day two under 20 minutes, so that it will be a quick brush up for those of you who have already watched it. It will be a continuation for those who have skipped and you're here. So today's training will make sense. Yeah, I'm going to do a quick recap of everything under 20 minutes. Is that cool? Type cool in the chat box if that is cool. Yeah, so you will not miss anything. We will be on track. So here is my today's agenda. I am going to do a quick recap of everything under 20 minutes. That is number one. We are going to dive deep into today's training on how to get orders as soon as your product goes live on Amazon. That is what our today's training is. That is number two. And number three, I'm going to present an offer at the end of this presentation to take this to the next level for a continued training. That is absolutely 100% optional. Those of you who are very serious in taking this business to the next level, who can sign up for that. And number four, we will have a Q&A session. As usual, I'll be taking all your questions at the end of this training session. So this session is going to be there around 60 to 90 minutes long. So sit tight, pay close attention. My goal for today's training is to show you the step-by-step process on how you can build a real long-term, highly profitable online business and how you can get started as fast as today. That is what my goal for this 3 days training program is. And if you wait until the end of today's training session, I'm going to give you my other ebook. This ebook, I'm selling it on Amazon for $2.99. This ebook is called The Online Startup. The subtitle of this ebook is How to Start a Business Online, Leveraging the Power of Amazon. This ebook goes through everything from creating a Seller Central account, from selecting the product, from launching it on Amazon, running advertisement, getting reviews, from start to finish. This ebook goes through A to Z. Yeah. How many of you want this for free? Type free in the chat box. Awesome. Fantastic. Cool. So to get this ebook for free, all you have to do is just stick until the end of this presentation. That is all you got to do. Does anybody feel that you're getting more value for whatever you are paid for? Does anybody feel in that way? You're getting more value than what you are paid for, and you did not expect this training is going to be like this, what do you call, impactful? Yeah, yes. Tons of things. Yes. Okay, awesome. Yes, certainly. Okay, awesome, fantastic. Of course. Okay, but the intention of me for this training is not to provide value for how much how much ever you paid, or to match the value or to exceed the value. That is not my intention. My pure intention is to cover as much as possible during these 3 days, so that you can take action with that. That is when you will be able to get results. Whatever I have shared during this training will not be going to help you in any way unless you take action. Yeah, you have to take action. That is when you will be able to reap the benefit. If you guys are going to take action, type action in the chat box. Awesome. Fantastic. Let's keep going. So let's get started. On day one, we have talked about how amazing this business model is. And I've also shared with you how did I get started in this journey. When did I get started in this journey? I started in this business in November 2014. I got my first order on Amazon in 21st of February 2015. Now but till date, I have crossed over 10 plus crores on Amazon. And I have also shared with you a couple of screenshots from deposits from Amazon. These deposits amounts were 1,51,000, 2,29,000, 2,28,000, 2,19,000. I receive these kind of deposits 2 times every week to my bank account from Amazon, one for COD orders, one for prepaid orders. Why I share this with you is not to show off or not to brag. I'm not somebody who started this business yesterday and trying to teach everyone today. No, I have been doing this business for 5+ years now. In today's training, I'm going to show you how you can replicate it and create a similar online business for yourself. Are you guys ready for that? Type ready in the chat box if you guys are ready. And here is a quick disclaimer. None of these results are typical. Whatever I'm sharing you in this training is from my own personal experience and people who have implemented in their own businesses. Yeah, none of these results are typical. Results vary based on your individual ability to implement things. With that being said, on day one, we have talked about this business model, and I also talked about why on Amazon. In 2019 alone, Amazon has done over revenue of around $280 billion in 2019 alone. Every year, Amazon grows like crazy. Every year, Amazon grows at least 20% every year. From 2017 to 2018, at least 20%. From 2018 to 2019, at least 20%. Every year, consistently, Amazon grows 20%. But if you look at 2020, Amazon grown 44%. That is literally doubled in growth from 2020 from 2019 to 2020. Yeah, Amazon is growing like crazy. If you look at the overall revenue in 2019 of e-commerce revenue, that is about 3.9 trillion. Amazon did not even account for 4% of his, the overall market. Amazon is just getting started. Amazon is growing like crazy. If anybody comes to you and tell you Amazon is saturated, there are too many sellers, it is not going to work, do not listen to them. Yeah. And due to this COVID-19, more people are forced to shop online. Yeah, fresh new stream of buyers are jumping into this new habit, and this creates new buyers for us. And more people are staying at home due to this lockdown and spending more time on internet and shopping. This is happening, like never before. The online shopping is going crazy now. To give you an example, I've just taken the screenshot from one of the reporting company called Market Pulse. If you look at the 2019 revenue, 135 billion generated by Amazon. That is the first party. Amazon generated 135 billion in revenue. The third party revenue is like 200 billion. That is like third party sellers like you and me generated 200 billion. If you take 2020, Amazon generated 190 billion as their first party, and third party generated 300 million. From 200 billion to 300 billion in 1 year. That is an accelerated growth of 100 billion in sales from third party sellers like you and me. But the number of sellers on Amazon did not accelerate this fast. The seller did not grow this fast. Yeah, so there is more room for new players. There is more room for new sellers. So this is a screenshot. I've taken it from Marketplace reporting to just make sure you understand this market is not saturated. There is more room to it. There is more sellers can come in and play your, launch your brand and grow. Yeah. Moreover, Amazon is forecasting a huge surge of business into their platform. That is the reason Jeff Bezos, Amazon CEO, announced 1 million new jobs in India by 2025. Amazon expecting a huge surge of business. That is the reason they wanted to equip themselves for the demand. Yeah, that is the reason Amazon CEO announced this kind of 1 million new jobs in India. What this means to us? This means, I believe, this is the right time to jump into this business. Yeah, literally, this is the right time to jump into this business. Not only that, this is the perfect business model. You can run this business from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and an internet connection. This gives you absolute location freedom, and you will not be chained towards your shop or your office or whatever you're doing right now. And you don't even have to rent office or rent a shop, unlike a traditional business. Unlike traditional business, if you wanted to launch a new business, that will easily cost you multiple lakhs in terms of deposits, in terms of glass doors, in terms of AC. If you take all these expenses, it will be absolutely huge. You will not be able to launch a viable offline business today. If you compare the investment here, when you compare it to the potential, it is phenomenal. And you don't even have to open your office in the morning and close your shop in the evening. You don't need to do all of that, and you don't even have to hire any employee to run this business. And you can even make money even while you sleep. Why I say that is, even while you're sleeping, people are going to place order with Amazon. Amazon is going to pick up the product and pack it and send it to customer, collect payment and deposit into your bank account using a system called FBA, Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon. We are going to cover that in later slides. And the good thing is, anybody can sell on Amazon. It is not like only that person can sell, only this person can sell. Everyday normal people like you and me can sell our products on Amazon. Amazon is the #1 marketplace for physical products. More than 53% of Amazon's revenue is coming from third-party sellers like you and me. What this means to us, you do not need any special education or college degree or any certificate to sell your products on Amazon. Anybody can sell your products on Amazon. And I have also showed you some of the examples on day one. These products were doing, some were doing 4 lakhs per month, some were doing 5 lakhs per month, some were doing 7 lakhs per month, some were doing 9 lakhs per month, some were doing even 11 lakhs per month. One single product every month on Amazon is doing this kind of revenue. I've showed a handful of examples on day one. And I've also said you are just one product away from replacing your current full-time income. Let's take, I have also given you this example. Let's take your salary to be 1 lakh, your salary or your income from your business. Let's take that to be 1 lakh. That can be more or that can be less. For this example, let's take your salary to be 1 lakh. To replace this with a products business like this, you just need only one product that is making at least 5 lakh rupees in revenue every single month. That is all you need. If you take 20% of if you consider 20% as your profit, if you take 20% from the 5 lakhs, that is 1 lakh rupees. These products which I've showed you normally will have a profit percentage of around 20 to 40%. Let's be more conservative. If your product makes only 20% in profit, you will be easily able to knock off your 1 lakh rupees, whatever your income is, with just one product. Yeah. And I've also shared with you Aniket's story. Aniket started this business. On his very first day, he got 4 orders. And he sent me a message on WhatsApp. You might think 4 orders is not that big, and that's true. 4 orders is not that big. But when you launched your product for the first time, when you're trying it for the first time, and you get orders on the same day, how do you feel? How many of you tried selling online or tried to making money online? Have you tried earlier and tried to figure out these things? You guys will know how it will feel when you launched your product on the first day. You got 4 orders. How will you feel? Yeah, that is what he got really excited, and he shared the message with me on WhatsApp. And after 15 days, he crossed over 1 lakh rupees in revenue. And he also shared the screenshot for that. And later, after a couple of weeks, I have just inquired with him how his business is running, and he mentioned saying he's getting approximately 10 to 12 orders per day. He is Ankit. That is 10 to 12 orders per day. That's 300 to 360 orders per month with just one product. He is Ankit, yeah, and he is Aniket. Sorry, he is Aniket and he is Ankit. Yeah, Ankit from Haryana. He made his first 1 lakh rupees in profit within his first 3 months. Now he is trying to grow his business to the next level. He is doing some phenomenal job. Now he is trying to figure it out, 5 lakhs per month as a profit, and he is working towards that. He is Ankit Agarwal from Haryana. And yesterday I have talked about Pulkit. Pulkit started this business and he was very skeptical to order 200 units, and he was worried whether it will sell or not. And after that, he shared me a screenshot saying he was out of stock. Yesterday I've shared about Pulkit. A couple of weeks back, I've just posted a WhatsApp status some WhatsApp status. After seeing that WhatsApp status, he just thought about me and sent me a voice message in my WhatsApp. That is just 30 seconds long. I'm just going to play it. Please listen to it.
Hi Aman, I hope you're doing fine. I don't know, I just saw your update and I just wanted to say to you that Amazon really kicked off, and I make around say 15 to 16 lakh of my account in every month. And I mean, this has to be one of the biggest months I'm doing. I've already gone 8 plus in sales. And thanks to you, man. You always, you showed me the first step, and I was just following up. So yeah. Thank you so much, Aman.
Yeah, he is Pulkit from Delhi. He was also skeptical. Within the last 30 days, he crossed over 60 lakhs in revenue. At the time of sending the screenshot, it was around 8th or 9th of this month, and she already crossed over 8 lakh rupees for this month, in the 8th day or 9th day. Yeah, he is going to do some big numbers this month, and he is Pulkit. All these people are just like you and me, started with little to no experience and gone on to completely change their lives forever with this business model. You can also build a real, sustainable, and highly profitable business starting today, just like one of these people. There are only three primary steps in this business. Step number one, you need to select the right product. Step number two, finding a supplier and sending inventory to Amazon FBA warehouse. Step number three, creating a product listing and promoting your product. Only these three steps. Yeah. So on day one, we have talked about picking the right product. I have also mentioned Amazon is like a gold mine. Amazon has 6 crore products, 6 crore and over products, and you need to filter and clear all the duds, and you need to find that golden nugget product so that you will be able to find the right product. We have talked about this on day number one. And I've also shared with you where I come from. What did I study? I graduated travel and tourism management, and I joined a company called Thomas Cook in Nungambakam, Chennai. Within a year, I was promoted as a branch manager. I was working really hard and tripled the profit of that branch within 3 months as I joined as a branch manager, a branch head actually. That is whenever I go to the higher management for asking for any approvals for implementing any new strategies to increase the revenue of that company, the higher management will say we have company's policies, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. And that is when I thought, if I can make 3 times more profit for that company, why don't I start my business? That is when I thought I have to start my own business. I launched multiple offline businesses. I started with a cafe in Besanagar in Chennai, then a multi-cuisine restaurant in Keki Nagar, Chennai, and I have started a wholesale distribution of China mobiles. During 2012 and 2013, China mobiles were very popular. I started China mobiles distribution. After that, I've started garments distribution in Tamil Nadu, one after the other. I launched it and failed miserably without even I could realize. I was in a debt of around 50 plus lakhs. I have kept all my wife's jewelry and my mother's jewelry in a pawnbroker. During 2014, it was like I need to pay like 1.5 lakhs in interest every single month to these debtors. People who have owed me money, I need to pay 1.5 lakh as interest. At the same time, I need to feed my family. At the same time, I need to run my offline businesses to run the show. Yeah, it was like standing in the treadmill and running very fast, moving nowhere. Struggling really hard and trying to figure out things. It was the one of the miserable years in my life. That is in 2014. I was during that time I was running offline stores, garment stores in my hometown. In November, we in 2014 we got Diwali in November. Normally in Tamil Nadu, Diwali will be the big festival for garment stores like us. After Diwali, there will not be any sales for next three months until we get Pongal. Pongal is another festival which falls in January 15th. Until then, we will not have any business for our offline stores. It was like dead zero, no sales. Only here and there we will get orders. Yeah, here and there people will visit and take it. That is when I was very miserable. I could not even pay this interest. I feed my family and paying rent or paying employees. All these were really a struggle. That is when I was literally very desperate to look for new opportunity in the internet, and that is when I luckily found this opportunity on Amazon. Once I saw this opportunity, I readily jumped into it. On my very first year, I made around 50 plus lakhs in revenue in my Amazon business. In my second year, I have crossed over 1.23 crores in revenue in my second year. From then on, I have never looked back. By now, I have crossed over 10 plus crores in Amazon alone. And now I have the ability to travel whenever I want, to spend time with my family and friends whenever I want. And currently I live in London. If you watch the day one video which says currently I live in Paris. Last year I was in Paris from September 2019 to November 2020. I was in Paris. After November I moved to London. I'm planning to settle here in London. This is a image I have taken near London Bridge, and I'm not trying to show off again here. I live in Paris, I live in London. No, the point is you can run this business from anywhere in the world. You can be in a very tiny village like I was in a couple of years back. The place is called Kodikal Palayam. It is next to a town called Thiruvarur. The Thiruvarur is 300 kilometers away from Chennai. You can run this business from a tiny village in India or anywhere else in the world. It does not matter. Location does not matter. It gives you that kind of freedom. That is what I wanted to show you here. And most importantly, I am very much passionate about entrepreneurship and particularly this business model, because I know how pain it is to run an offline business. I have done multiple online businesses and I know what is the pain in running an offline business. I'm so much passionate about this business model. If you want me to talk about this business model from all day long, I will sit and talk from morning till the evening. Yeah. But the point is, I had this mind very long back. I wanted to create a training program so that I can share this with everyone. And during I was in India, I had my offline businesses. I did not have time. After moving to Paris, I had lots of time. I was managing only my Amazon business. So that is the reason I had more time. That is when I thought that this is the right time to start this training program. That is the intention behind starting this training program last 8 months before. Now I wanted to really help people who are struggling like me in their rat race to come out of their rat race, to help their loved ones. That is the intention behind creating this training program. And most importantly, now is the best time in history to build this business. Literally, it's never been easier, faster, and more lucrative time than right now. And the very first step in this process is to select the right product. I have also shared with you the 5 criteria for a golden product opportunity in day number 1. These criteria where the number 1 criteria is the selling price should be between 500 and 1500. I have also mentioned why you should not sell below 500, because we have Amazon commission, we have product cost, we have shipping, we have taxes. If you deduct all of these expenses, you will be left with very minimal margin. That is the reason you have to stick with price above 500. Why not above 1500? If the price point is going to be above 1500, the thing is, people are going to take more time in deciding the product, deciding the purchase. And number 2 is your initial investment will go high. If the product cost is going to be higher, if the selling price is going to be higher, the product cost will go high. Your initial investment will go high. That is the reason the sweet spot is the selling price should be between 500 and 1500. That is number 1. Number 2, bestseller rank should be between 200 and 2000. What is bestseller rank? Amazon gives a rank to each and every product on Amazon based on their sales volume. The higher the sales, the bestseller rank will be smaller. Anything number close to 1 is selling really high. We wanted to look for products that is having a bestseller rank of between 200 and 2000. You will be able to find the bestseller details in the product detail section. Why not below 200? Why not above 2000? I have detailedly covered in day number 1. If you missed that, please go back and watch day number 1. Number 3 criteria is weight should be under 1 kg. why weight should be under 1 kg is, since we are running an e-commerce business, we wanted to send this product through a courier service. The courier service from maybe we wanted to send in bulk from our supplier to Amazon warehouse, from Amazon warehouse to customers. So there is lots of couriers and logistics and all those things are going to be involved. These are measured by size and dimension of the product, size and weight of the product. If your size is going to be very big, all your margins will be eaten up by these shipping costs. So the ideal weight should be under 1 kg, small and lightweight. The size should be under shoebox size. Again, you can also find this weight details, product weight details in the product detail section. And number 4 criteria is number of reviews should be less than 500. The total number of reviews on a product page should be less than 500. Why is it so? When we are going to launch our product will not have more reviews. So the point here is, if any product is selling with less number of reviews, how do you know whether it is selling or not? We will know if the BSR is low. If the BSR is low, it is selling really well. If the review numbers are low, that means it is proving even if the product has less number of reviews, it has a possibility of selling. That is what it is proving, the viability of the product. That's number 4. Number 5, branding potential. Branding potential is nothing but there should not be any existing dominating brand for that particular product category. I normally give this example. If you stop anybody who is walking in a market, you just stop somebody and ask him this question, and you give him 5 seconds to answer the question, and you need to ask this question: which brand you will buy vegetable chopping board, or which brand you will buy garbage bag, or which brand you will buy cake turntable, or which brand you will buy lunch bag. If that person did not able to come out with a brand name, then it has passed this 5th criteria, that is branding potential. We wanted to build brand on these products. The building brand is has multiple benefits. One of them is you can dictate your price. Number 2 is you will be able to hold your buy box and all the stuff. About this, when you are building a brand, you are building a real asset. This asset can be passed on to generations to come. Yeah, that is the reason I call this as a very long-term business model. Yeah, physical people have been buying and selling physical products for thousands of years now. People are going to continue to buy physical products for thousands of years to come. So you are building a physical products brand. You can pass this on to generations. So these are all the 5 criteria for finding the right product. I have also asked you to create a list of product opportunity. Maybe 15 to 20 of them. On day 1, I have taught you how to calculate gross profit for these product ideas using Kitna Milega calculator. Amazon gives us a calculator called Kitna Milega fulfillment by Amazon calculator. Using that, you will be able to calculate gross profit. Once you find gross profit, you just need to enter that in the Excel sheet for all the products, all the 15 product ideas. Based on these product ideas, you are going to contact supplier. Yeah. So far, everybody is clear. Type clear in the chat box. This is what we have covered in day 1. Okay, cool. So on day 2, I have walked you through the process of finding supplier. We have covered how to find the supplier in day 2. I have also given you access to the bonus material worth of $97 in day 2 live session. If you have missed that, please go back and watch that day 2 video and get your bonus thing from day 2 live session. And depending on what kind of product you wanted to sell, your supplier may be located in India, China, or anywhere in the world. Yeah, your suppliers the process is going to be exactly the same. Your supplier can be in India, he can be in China, or anywhere else in the world. That does not matter. The process is going to be exactly the same. So let's assume we wanted to launch this product on Amazon, the car cleaning brush. If you wanted to find the supplier from India, you can use a website called indiamart.com. From Indiamart, you will be able to find the Indian suppliers. If you wanted to outsource, if you wanted to source this product from outside country, you can also use a website called alibaba.com. Here, the good thing about alibaba.com is here all the manufacturers, 99% of the manufacturers knows that we want this product in our own brand name and in our packaging. We don't need to explain that we are building a brand, we want our logo, we wanted our packaging in this, because these people already knows this. All you have to do is just click on this button, contact supplier, so you will be able to contact them. Once you click on that button, it will take you to a page like this. Here you will be able to inquire whatever is your details you require. You can ask them and you can click on send inventory. I have also given you my initial supplier contact template. With this, you will know exactly, I have given you this contact template in day number 2 video. Yeah, with this you will know exactly what to say to get a better deal. So you don't need to be worried if you're doing this for the first time. All you have to do is download that initial buyer supplier contact template and paste it here, tweak it slightly and just paste it onto tweak it slightly based on your product and just click send. Before sending, you can also click this button, recommend matching supplier. Yeah, what this does is Alibaba will wait for 24 hours. If this person is not going to reply you within 24 hours, Alibaba will send this exact message to hundreds of other suppliers who is manufacturing this exact product. So you will be able to compare multiple rates and prices, and then you will be able to decide which product to, which supplier to go for. So this is how you source your product in your own brand name. This is very simple and straightforward. We have also covered how to import products from outside country in yesterday's session. What are all the documents you need? Which are all the logistics companies you can use? We have covered that in live training, in day 2 training, special training. If you missed that, please go back and watch that. Once your goods is ready, now we wanted to send that to Amazon warehouse. Amazon has built its massive 55 plus fulfillment centers across India. These network of fulfillment centers are built to store and ship products for sellers like you and me. They are called Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, Amazon warehouse, Amazon FC, yeah, Amazon fulfillment center. All these are same. Some places I will say Amazon FC, some places I will say Amazon FBA. All these are same. These are network of fulfillment centers are built to store and ship products for sellers like you and me. Yeah. So now all you have to do is ask your supplier to send inventory directly to Amazon warehouse, and so that Amazon takes care of everything else. With this incredible system, unlike ever before, you can sit at your home or on the beach, have your supplier send inventory to Amazon, and you produce sales on Amazon without doing much of the work. Once you have your supplier send some inventory to Amazon, whenever someone buys your product from Amazon, the inventory is automatically deducted from your stock. Then Amazon credits you with a sale. Every week, Amazon deposits the money right into your bank account. Amazon even takes care of all the customer services because they are handling your inventory storage, they are handling your shipping, your packaging, and your fulfillment. Your entire business ends up being watching your sales rolling in an Amazon, checking when your inventory is getting low, and emailing your supplier to send more inventory to Amazon. This is how the cycle looks. You come out with a product idea and you contact a manufacturer, and that manufacturer makes the product and ships that to Amazon warehouse. Once that is in Amazon warehouse, customers are going to place order. Once customer places an order, as Amazon will pick that product, pack it, and ship it to customer and deposit the money right into your bank account. This is how this cycle looks. And on day 2, I have also told you there are 2 parts in ranking and showing your product on the first page of Amazon search result. Part number 1 is you need to make your listing relevant to Amazon search algorithm. And part number 2 is you need a system to capture as many sales as possible. That is what these are all the 2 things you need to show your product on the first page of Amazon. And I've also mentioned Amazon is a product search engine. Anybody wants to buy a product in Amazon, they are going to go to the search bar, type in the search term, and then from there they are going to buy the product. 99% of the sales happens on Amazon is through a search keyword. Yeah, so through the search bar, and 90% of the sales happens in the first page of the search result or the second page of the search result. Most of the time, customers did not scroll through third page or fourth page or even fifth page, so on and so forth. There is no difference between being on the third page or the 100th page. So you have to show your product on the first page or the second page to get the maximum sales. I have also showed you how you can create a world-class Amazon listing in day 2. And we have also talked about keyword research. I have showed you this Excel sheet, how to use this Excel sheet, how to update your Amazon product listing. And we have also talked about keywords. We have also talked about images. Keywords are for Amazon algorithm. Amazon understands your product page. Amazon understands your product based on the keywords and search terms that you enter on your product page. And images are for Amazon. Images are for Amazon's customer. Online customer does not have the ability to touch and feel the product. The only way they can understand the product is by looking at the images. These images has to sell the product. Not necessarily these images can be good. It can be beautiful. The point is not making beautiful images, making images that sells the product. That is very important. You need to make these images sell. Main image, I have also given you some example in day 2. The main image should be of white background. There should not be any colored background for main image. The secondary images, you have 6 secondary images that will be visible on Amazon. So these images should be with good quality background that can be any color. You can tell them warranties. If you have any other benefits that your product has, you can mention them. Why people should buy your product than others' product. There are a few other products will be exactly available in Amazon as well. Why people should choose your product. You have to mention these things here. And you can also mention if you have any other cross-selling product, you can also mention that in any one of our images. I've showed this example. This is just a simple product, simple vegetable chopping board product. They have done a good job. You can also do this by contacting freelancers in fiverr.com. Here you will be able to find freelance workers for creating good quality images for your product. For this, you just need to type Amazon product images. If you type this, you will find hundreds of freelance workers. They will be able to help you in creating images for you. Yeah. So this is how you will be able to, again, every time I mention this, do not be cheap on this. You're going to create product images for your product only once. These images are going to sell your product day in and day out. So do not be cheap on this. Spend some comfortable money on this. We have also talked about reviews in day 2. When you're getting started, you just need a handful of reviews to get started. You can get these by asking your friends and family members. All you need is just 3 to 5 reviews when you're getting started. Yeah. And why I say 3 to 5 reviews is Amazon shows only 3 reviews on the product page. If you want to read more, you just need to click on that link. It will take you to the reviews page. To fill that page with 3 reviews, that is enough. 3 to 5 reviews is enough. And recently I've come across statistics which says a product page with 0 reviews and a product page with 5 reviews. The product page with 5 reviews converts 80 times better. So when you're getting started, you just need 3 to 5 reviews to get started. Most people selling on Amazon knows just these basics. You are now using these strategies that are more advanced than an average Amazon seller uses, and you're just getting started. For some people, doing this keyword research, listing optimization is enough to produce sales even before you do anything else. So once you have your well-optimized product listing, you are now ready for the part 2 in this process. That is what we are going to cover today. That is a system to capture as many sales as possible. So far, everybody is clear. Type clear in the chat box. Yeah. Awesome. Fantastic. Cool. Let's keep going. So a system to capture as many sales as possible as soon as your product goes live on Amazon. Amazon's traffic is the best buyer traffic that is available to anyone who is selling physical products online. It is not like Google, or it is not like Facebook. It is not like Instagram. It is not like YouTube. It is not like anything else. Why I say that is, if anybody goes to Google, they are searching for something, they are searching for information. If anybody goes to Facebook, they are there they are there in Facebook to see their friend's photo or their friends' videos, or they wanted to upload their photos or their videos. They are not there to buy products. If anybody comes to Amazon, they search for a word in the search bar, their 100% intention is to buy the product, nothing else. Yeah. So that is the reason I say Amazon's traffic is the best buyer traffic. These are customers, ready to buy customers, hungry, hot buyers, ready with their payment method. They just want it, they already know what they want. They are just there in Amazon to buy it. All we have to do is just show up in front of them with a good quality product listing. All we have to do is just show in front of them, these people will buy. Yeah, these are ready to buy, hungry, hot buyers. So how do you show your product to these potential buyers instantly and get sales immediately as soon as you launch your product on Amazon? How do you do that? Amazon has an internal advertising platform called Amazon Sponsored Product Ads. Using this feature, you can show your product to these potential buyers instantly. This is how this product advertising looks. Amazon Sponsored Advertising looks. For example, if you type any search term in the search bar, for example, car brush, you hit search, you will find the search result. On top of the search result, you will find like 4 listings with a tag called sponsored. I just marked that in red so that you can see. These are not organic listings. These are not organically showing on top. These are sponsored advertisement. These sellers paid Amazon to show their product here. These advertisement will be visible on top of the search result, in the middle of the search result, at the end of the search result. It will be there in the second page, top, middle, and bottom. It will be there in the third, fourth, and so on and so forth. It has multiple other placements. These are called Amazon Sponsored Product Ads. Using these ads, you can show your product to these potential buyers. You can create one of these ad campaigns in just a matter of few clicks. I'm going to show this to you now. So to create Amazon sponsored ads, once your product is live on Amazon, you just need to log into your Amazon Seller Central and you have to visit advertising tab. You click on advertising, you click on campaign manager. Once you click on campaign manager, it will take you to a page like this. From here, you're going to click on create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, it will take you to the next page. Here it is going to give you 2 options. One is sponsored products, another one is sponsored brands. Sponsored brands are like triggered towards customer engagement, brand awareness, and all those stuff. These are not triggered towards sales. When we launch our product, we want more sales, right? We are not interested in creating brand awareness and all those. When we launch, we want more sales, right? So to do that, you just need to choose Amazon sponsored products. Click on this button, continue. It will take you to a page like this. From here, you are going to create your ad campaign. Here is where you will be able to create your ad campaign. First thing is your campaign name. Your campaign name can be your product name followed by the targeting type. Suppose if you are selling a car cleaning brush, you can mention it as car cleaning brush auto. By looking at the name itself, you will know what campaign is this and what product is this. Yeah, what type of campaign, like auto. There are 2 types of targeting in Amazon's advertisement. There are 2 types of targeting. One is automatic targeting, another one is manual targeting. So what is automatic targeting? Automatic targeting is Amazon will target keywords and products that are similar to your product. Amazon will automatically target all the keywords and products that are similar to your product. How Amazon will know that? That is the reason I have insisted on how you have to optimize your listing with all the relevant keywords in yesterday's session. Yeah, if you have optimized your product page with all the relevant keywords and search terms, Amazon will automatically show to all the relevant search terms in using this advertisement. Yeah. So when you're getting started, you can start with automatic targeting. You just need to mention your product name, your campaign name, like car brush auto. So every time you don't need to, go inside the campaign and see what campaign is this, what product is this, what targeting is this. You don't need to go every time. By looking at the name itself, you will come to know what product is this and what type of targeting is this. Next, the start date and end date. The start date can be the date that you're starting. Suppose if you are starting today, you can mention today's date, and the end date you can leave it blank, because you can change this end date whenever you want. You can come back here, you can pause it, you can turn it on, you can again pause it, you can stop and start this advertisement anytime you want. So you don't need to mention any end date. Then comes the daily budget. You can start Amazon advertisement as low as 50 rupees per day. Yeah, minimum requirement is 50 rupees per day. When you're getting started, I highly suggest you have to start with at least 300 rupees. That is when you will be able to get enough clicks and enough orders, so that you will be able to gain more data, so you can accelerate your sales very quickly. Again, these advertisement budget is like, Amazon will only charge you when some customer clicks on your ad. Amazon does not charge you when Amazon shows your ad to the customer. If any customer clicks on your ad, then only Amazon will charge you. So this is also known as Amazon PPC, pay per click, Amazon pay per click ad. Yeah. So when you're starting, you have to start with at least 300 rupees. That is what my suggestion is. And then once you set up all of these things, you just need to scroll down. If you scroll down, you will find another section called ad group name. Here in the ad group name, again, you can copy paste your campaign name here. And if you come down, you will see your products. Here you need to select the product that you wanted to run advertisement for. When you are doing this for the first time, you will be launching only one product. You will see your product here. You just need to click on this button add. The product will come this side and you can scroll down. If you scroll down, now comes the automatic targeting. Now comes the set default bid. The next step is to set default bid. So what is the default bid? Amazon advertisement runs on auction. Whoever bids high, they will get the higher placement. But bids alone does not determine your placement. There are multiple other factors. One of the important factor is relevancy. Your product needs to be relevant to the search term that customer is searching for. Your relevancy is very important and your bid is very important. That is the reason, to increase relevancy, you need to optimize your product page with all the relevant keywords. Yeah, that is what I have insisted yesterday. So when you're getting started, you can start with 3 rupees bid. This is how I mostly start all the auto campaigns. I start with 3 rupees and wait for 1 day. If all my budget is exhausted before 1 day, during in the half a day itself, I will reduce the bid to 2 rupee 75 paise or 2 rupee 50 paise. If I'm not getting clicks, if the budget is not spent, if I'm not getting clicks, if I'm not getting orders, I will slowly increase the bid to 3 rupee 25 paise or 3 rupee 50 paise or 3 rupee 75 paise. I will slowly increase and wait for another day and then decide whether to increase or decrease. Within 3 to 4 days, you will be able to find out what the bidding is working for your product, and then you can stick on to that bidding for auto targeting. When you're starting, you can start with 3 rupees for auto targeting and you can click on launch campaign. Once you click on launch campaign, you will get this success message. Congratulations, your campaign is launched successfully. Within 1 hour, your product will be visible to millions of buyers all across India. Yeah, this is simple and powerful. Yeah, it is absolutely incredible how powerful this is. This is how you can go from knowing nothing about selling on Amazon to making tons of sales on Amazon. Here are a few of my ad campaigns that is generating tons of sales for me. In one of my campaign, I have spent over 1,30,000 rupees in ad spend, generated over 7,44,000 in sales. In another campaign, I have spent around 4,15,000 rupees in ad spend. I have generated over 18 lakh rupees in sales with an order count of 3,722 orders. In another campaign, I have spent over 9,42,000 rupees in advertisement and generated over 37 lakhs in revenue with an order count of 8,169 orders. I have spent over 1 crore rupees plus on Amazon ads alone as of now. Let's say you have launched your first product with this process that start to produce 2 lakhs or 2 lakhs per month in sales. To grow this business, you simply have to launch another product to the same market, to the same brand by leveraging whatever you have built already. Then your business can go quickly from 2 lakhs a month to 4 lakhs a month with 2 products and 10 lakhs a month with just 5 products by just repeating this process that you have already learned in this 3 days training program. This is how you can go from having zero experience in building a business or selling on Amazon to build a real business that produces a 10 lakh or more per month for you in a very little time. There are tons of people just like you, started with little to no experience, have changed their lives with this business model. He is Rajesh Kumar from Chennai. In just 2 days, he got 50,000 rupees in sales. I just inquired with him how his sales are going. He said sales was great, and I asked him how many orders. On Friday, he got 26 orders. On Saturday, he got 33 orders, and he also mentioned in last 2 days he got 50,000 rupees worth of orders, and that's about 7.5 lakh rupees per month with just one product. He is Rajesh Kumar from Chennai. Yeah, with just one product. As powerful as what we have learned so far in this 3 days training is just the tip of the iceberg. I have been doing this business with Amazon and teaching how to build a business with Amazon for years now. I have worked with hundreds of people all across India. These people went on to change their lives with this business model. The opportunity is incredible on Amazon right now. That is nothing like ever before we have seen. Once you know the right action to take and move forward, building a business on this powerful platform is simple and fast. However, if you try to figure it out all on your own or ineffective or misleading help, it's likely your results will suffer for years and your business may never take off. Let me ask you a question. How many of you are interested to learn how to build this business for yourself from me? How many of you are interested to learn to build this business for yourself from me? Type me in the chat box. Awesome. Fantastic. Let's keep going. I can help you build a real business much faster and smoother way than any other routes available. Because I have done it so many times with so many other people, I know what it takes to build this business. I have helped so many people achieve their life-changing financial freedom and location freedom with just a single program. This program is called Amazon Selling Mastery. This program walks you through every single step of building a fast-growing, profitable business, leveraging the power of Amazon. It is backed by hundreds of successful members that have gone through it and achieved life-changing results. So far, I have showed you some of them in this training. There are literally many, many more. These people just started from where you are right now, watching a similar video like this one. Then they took action with Amazon Selling Mastery and went on to alter their lives forever. However, fortunately for you, this is the best time in history to start this business. The opportunity on Amazon is better than ever before. Even better, in the past 6 months, I have spent time in refining the system to rapidly grow this business easier, faster, and for even a brand new seller to build a highly successful business from scratch. Now, let me show you what's inside this brand new Amazon Selling Mastery program. How many of you want to see what's inside this program? Type me in the chat box. Amazon Selling Mastery gives you everything you need to start, grow, and scale a profitable business, leveraging the power of Amazon. It includes 9 powerful modules, 100 plus step-by-step video lessons. Each module includes brand new strategies and tactics just added over in the past few months, and very few have seen this. Here is what you will learn inside this training program. Let me share the modules with you. Are you guys able to see the Amazon Selling Mastery curriculum? Type yes in the chat box. Okay, awesome. So once you sign up, once you log into your members area, the first video is kickoff session. It is about 85 minutes long. In this video, I'm going to show you apart from Amazon, where you can find more product ideas. I have taught you how to find the products from Amazon, and you can also find the products from multiple places. I'm going to show you where to find the product ideas from other places. I'm also going to show you what are all the products you should not sell. I'm also going to tell you what is the timeline it is going to get you to get your first order. How long you can take to do your product research, how long you can spend on your first inventory, how long you can spend for time you can spend on your manufacturing, when you can expect your first order. All these things, all these timeline, I'm going to give you in this first video, the kickoff session. Then comes the module number 1. Module number 1 is about the business setup. We will cover everything about setting up your business, setting up your Seller Central account. I will also cover about adding fulfillment centers, adding Amazon fulfillment centers to your seller account so that you can send inventory to Amazon smoothly. And we will have action step for module number 1. Every module will have an action step. Before moving to the next module, you have to finish the action step for that module, and then you can move on. Yeah, that is when you will be able to get results. Yeah, so that is module number 1. Then comes module number 2. Module number 2 is product selection formula 2.0. I have recently revised this entire module. It is fresh new training. In this training, I'm going to show you the only Amazon categories to choose for success. What are all the only categories you need to choose from, and products you should definitely avoid. What are all the products you need to avoid? And we are also going deep into generating initial product ideas, proving viability, calculating estimated profit margin, choosing your best top 3, how to choose the top 3 products, how to do that, and action item for module number 2. Then comes module number 3. Module number 3 is about supplier samples and profit numbers. The first video is about understanding Amazon fees, how Amazon charges us. Yeah. Then next is the product tuning. What is product tuning? Since we are going to take an idea from Amazon, we wanted to stand out from the competition. How you can do small tweaks so that your product will look different in the competition. How you can do that? That is what we cover here. We will also talk about. I am also going to give you finding and contacting suppliers with our proven template. I have given you initial supplier contact template in day 2. I have templates for everything. Contacting supplier, asking for lower MOQ. MOQ is minimum order quantity. Lower MOQ, asking for the lead time, asking for sample negotiation. I have templates for everything. I will be sharing the templates here in this video. And finding and contacting supplier outside India, finding and contacting supplier in India, true cost and your best supplier, freight cost and calculating final true cost, ordering sample for your top product idea, and action item for module number 3. Then comes module number 4. Module number 4 is about ordering your initial inventory and creating your brand. Here in this section, we are going to talk about now your sample has arrived. Now what? How to decide on which sample to go for. And we will also talk about quick basic product listing. Here in the 17-minute video, I'm going to walk you through over my shoulder where to enter the title, where to enter your bullet points, where to upload your images, where to enter what inside the Seller Central so that you can create your product page with your own brand name. What are all the essentials you need, and how to download FNSKU barcode. Everything I'm going to show you here in this module. And we are also going to cover about shipping process, placing your first inventory order. After you place your first inventory order, you place your first inventory order, you are going to have 20 to 25 days long wait time, because your manufacturer needs 20 to 25 days to manufacture it. During that time, what all things you can do so that you will be ready once your product is live, you can start selling. Yeah, that is what we cover here. An action item for module number 4. Then comes module number 5. Module number 5 is about creating your brand real estate. Here we will be creating your brand Facebook page. We will be talking about ManyChat. ManyChat is a tool which I use to communicate with my Amazon buyers. ManyChat is a tool that sits on top of Facebook Messenger. This sends Facebook messages to Amazon buyers, to my Amazon buyers. So how to use that tool, how to set it up, what are all the important features I cover here. And we also talk about reviews on autopilot process. All of my products have more than 500 reviews, and most of them have thousands of reviews. And there is a process to get a legitimate reviews in volume from your existing customers. How to do that? There is a process to it. I will cover here, and I will also give you my ManyChat flow for reviews on autopilot. Once you set this up, you will be able to get reviews on autopilot day in and day out. Yeah. And we will also talk about brand website overview, domain hosting, theme and page builder, website, creating website part 1, creating your website part 2, creating your website part 3. After watching these 5 videos, you will be able to create this entire website, full-blown entire website in 4 hours or 5 hours. I have created this website in just 2 hours with all the pages. when you don't need to write even a single line of code to create this website. It is all drag and drop. Anybody can do this. If you ask me in 2014, will you be able to create a website, I would have said never. I have learned all these things throughout the year. It is all very simple, drag and drop. Anybody can do it. If I can do it from a travel background, non-techie person, anybody can definitely do this. If you feel you cannot do this, do not need to worry. Just give these 5 videos to your son or daughter. They will be able to create this entire website in a matter of one Sunday afternoon. Yeah. See, this is a domain. I had this in my GoDaddy account. I bought this for some other reason. I did not use it. I just created a fictitious brand for teaching purposes. You can check out this website after this training. You'll be able to create this in a matter of 3-4 hours after watching this training. This training alone will literally save at least 15,000 rupees in website building cost. Yeah. An action item for module number 5. Then comes module number 6. Module number 6 is about creating your perfect product page on Amazon. How to create a perfect product listing on Amazon. The entire module is dedicated to creating a perfect product page, creating traffic grabbing title, creating bullet points that sells and differentiates, creating compelling product description, creating product images that attracts and converts. How to do these things. Yeah, this is what is going to sell your product. You need to nail your product pages so that it converts most visitors into buyers. That is what we cover here in module number 6. Then module number 7. Module number 7 is about the perfect product launch formula. Module number 7 is the one of the important module in this entire training program. In this module, we go deep into how to launch your product. The first video is about welcome to module number 7. Next is the creating your first FBA shipment. How to create your FBA shipment, where to enter your from address, how to choose the FC, how to schedule a pickup with Amazon person, how to get the barcodes, how to get the box labels. All of those things I will show you in this video over my shoulder. And here we will be setting up, we will be talking about prioritizing keyword for launch, planning for a successful launch, setting up your launch Amazon ad campaigns. I will show you how to set up ad campaigns for your launch. And we will also talk about getting reviews, getting initial sales and reviews. As I said in the training, you only need 3 to 5 reviews when you're getting started. As I said, you can get this from your family and friends. For some reason, you don't want to bother your friends and family members. There are multiple other ways you can do that. That is what I cover here. And we will talk about creating promotional codes and distributing ManyChat coupons. We also talk about launch strategy using Facebook ads. How you can use Facebook ads to launch your Amazon product. We also cover that, and we also talk about tracking the data to make informed decision. We need to track all the data, where the sales are coming from, which campaigns are working, which promotional activities are working, which products are working. If we understand what are all the things are working and what are all the things are not working, we can stop the things that is not working. We can do more of what is working. For that, you need to track the data. In this training, I will show you what metrics you need to track, how to track, what is the tool which I'm using, so that you can use that tool. I'm going to give that tool for free. You will get that tracking tool here for free. Yeah. So you will be able to track data. Then comes module number 8. Module number 8. Module number 8 is entirely dedicated for Amazon sponsored product advertising. I have spent over 1 crore rupees on Amazon sponsored product advertising alone. And I know how Amazon advertising works. After going through this one module, you will know ins and outs of Amazon advertising. Yeah. So Amazon advertising, and the next video is how Amazon advertising works, common terminologies, keyword match type, effective Amazon ad campaign structure. This is one of the important video in this lesson, in this module, effective Amazon ad campaign structure. I have a different kind of structure. If you set it up, if you set up your ads in this structure, you will not waste more money. You will gain more orders. I have a special structure. That is what I teach here. And bidding strategies and placement, advertising goals, optimizing ads during launch, optimizing ads after launch, advanced Amazon ad campaigns, and action item for module number 8. Let's go back to the slides. Are you guys able to see the slides? Type yes in the chat box. Awesome. Cool. So the module number 1 is getting to set up to sell on Amazon. Module number 2 is perfect product picking formula. Module number 3 is finding a supplier for your product. Module number 4 is inventory ordering and shipping. Module number 5 is building your online brand assets. Module number 6 is creating perfect product page on Amazon. Module number 7 is perfect product launch formula. Module number 8 is Amazon sponsored advertising. Module number 9 is advanced marketing strategies and more. I have not shared with you what we have covered in module number 9. It is all more advanced strategies. I don't want to reveal that in public. Yeah. So he is Mr. Rahul. On his very first day, Rahul generated 10 plus sales worth of 7,790 rupees in revenue. This might not seem like a lot for some of you, but when it adds up, that is about 2.1 lakh per month with just one product, that too only from advertisement. He also gets organic orders, the regular organic orders. This is only from advertisement. You can see he has spent 547 rupees on advertisement and generated over 7,700 rupees in sales. If you look at this campaign, he spent only 32 rupees and he generated close to 4,000 rupees. Yeah. If you want to scale up his business, all you have to do is just increase budget for this campaign. This is what the ad campaign structure I was talking about. Yeah. So he is Rahul and she is Sakshi from Mumbai. This is just a 1-minute video. I will play it. Just please listen to this. Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi and I'm making this video to share my experience about Amazon Selling Mastery course. I took this course in month of September this year, 2020, and within a month's time after implementing all the action steps which are explained in the course, I've got 3000% hike in my sales within a month's time. So this course is really amazing. I will recommend it to any e-commerce seller, even if you're a beginner or you're already selling on Amazon. Earlier, I was selling on Amazon since last 3 years, and I could not even manage to get a single sale every day. But since I've taken this course and implemented these steps which are explained, I have got a massive success, amazing results from whatever is being taught in the course. It teaches you all the skills which are required for any e-commerce seller. And lastly, I would like to mention that Mr. Aman is a great mentor. He teaches in a very humble manner, and if you have any question, he will answer it very promptly. So without any doubt, just go ahead with the course. If the cost of the course is nothing, it is just peanuts against what value it offers you. So just go ahead and go get it what you're willing to get, the success that you deserve. Just go ahead with the course. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the thing is, she is Sakshi from Mumbai. She was already a seller on Amazon. She was not even able to manage to get orders on a consistent basis. After implementing this training, she was able to scale her business to 20,000 rupees on an average. The day she sent me the screenshot, she was around 18,000 rupees in sales. On that day, she sent me the screenshot. She is Sakshi from Mumbai. This training program is for anybody who is already selling on Amazon, want to scale their business, or very new to Amazon who wanted to start their business. This is the training program you need, and you get lifetime access to this Amazon Selling Mastery when you sign up today. So who this training program works for? I have created this training program keeping in my mind, if I'm going to start from scratch, like when I started in 2014, what all things I need, what all questions I will have. That is the reason I have created 100 plus video lessons, each and everything, leaving out anything. Everything is covered in each videos. I have 100 plus videos on all the topics. So this program is suitable for anyone who can watch a step-by-step videos and take action one step at a time. We have members from all walks of life, from retired CA to college dropouts. This program is suitable for anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. When you sign up today, you're also going to get a bonus number 1, that is private online community. There is a good chance you're sitting there watching this video alone. You may not have a lot of entrepreneurs around you, especially high caliber Amazon sellers. And if you tell people around you about this business model, that you're going to launch a brand on Amazon and you wanted to launch a product, people are going to think that you're stupid and they will be laughing at you. Yeah. I know, I have been there. They say building a business is too scary. However, what you know and what I know is not building a business is too scary, isn't it? So living a life of restriction and being dependent on someone else's for your entire financial future looks really scary. Unfortunately, you don't have to do this all alone. I know how important it is to have a network of ambitious, like-minded people you can tap into anytime you want when you have a question, if you need any help, or you just need some motivation. That is the reason we have built a powerful online community. Apart from this 9-module training, you're also going to get lifetime access to private online community. This includes real Amazon entrepreneurs I have worked with over the years. Some produces as much as 10 crores or more per year on Amazon. You get to access these people as a member of Amazon Selling Mastery. So when you sign up today, you're going to get lifetime access to Amazon Selling Mastery. The value is 9,999, and private online community that is literally priceless. There is no price tag for that. You will not be able to find people like this outside. Yeah. So the total value is 9,999. That's not all. We have bonus number 2. Bonus number 2 is the street smart negotiation tactics for Amazon sellers. So many people come to me and tell me supplier is not reducing the price, supplier is not reducing the MOQ is minimum order quantity. He is asking for 2,000 units, he is asking for 3,000 units, or what to tell them, how to tell them. I have an entire training program on negotiation, how you can negotiate well so that you can get a desired MOQ and desired price. You're going to get this entire training as a free bonus when you sign up today. The value of the training is 5,000 rupees. So here is what you're going to get when you sign up today: lifetime access to Amazon Selling Mastery, private online community, and street smart negotiation tactics. The total value is 14,999. That's not all. We have bonus number 3. Bonus number 3 is street smart product sourcing from India for Amazon sellers. Again, there are so many people come to me and ask me whether can we import products from China? Is it still working? Is it possible? It is all absolutely possible. There are a handful of students in our community or continuously till date importing products from China without any issues. If you are scared, if you don't want to do it, there are millions of products in India. There are over millions of products in India. You can find suppliers from here itself and you can launch it in India, Amazon India, and you can start growing your business. Yeah, that is the reason I have created this bonus training. This training goes deep into how to find the suppliers from India. You are going to get access to this as well. The value is 5,000 rupees. So here is what you get when you sign up today: lifetime access to Amazon Selling Mastery, private online community, street smart negotiation tactics, street smart product sourcing from India, and the total value is 19,999. That's not all. Bonus number 4, weekly live Q&A session. I'm not somebody who wanted to sell you a bunch of recorded videos and go behind the computer. No. Every week, every Thursday night at 9 p.m., we will have a live Q&A session where you will be able to ask me questions and clear all your doubts. Every Thursday at 9 p.m. Yeah. And you will have access to this for next 6 months. And you will also get access to all the previous weekly calls, recorded sessions that is available. The total value of this is 5,000 rupees. So when you sign up today, here is what you're going to get: lifetime access to Amazon Selling Mastery, private online community, street smart negotiation tactics, street smart product sourcing from India, weekly live Q&A session. The total value is 24,999. The total value is 24,999. I'm not going to charge you 24,999. Let me ask you a question. If all this training did was to help you launch your first product on Amazon that is selling at least 10 to 15 units a day with a profit margin of 100 to 150 rupees per unit, that is about 45,000 rupees in profit every single month from Amazon, would this training be worth it? If you pay 25,000 rupees for this training, would this be worth it? Yeah. If all this training did was to help you 3 months from now, helped you generate 1 lakh rupees per month as a profit, like it did it for Ankit, would this training be worth it? Yeah. If all this did was to generate 1 lakh rupees per month as a profit 3 months from now, like it did it for Ankit, would this training be worth it if you pay 25,000 rupees today? Yeah. If all this training did was to help you quit your job, spend more time with your family and loved ones, would this training be worth it? Yeah. Is there any price tag for your freedom? What is one solid product is worth to you? One good successful product is worth to you. She is Aarti from Delhi. On her very first month, she launched her product. Very first month on her very new account, she launched her product. On her first month, she sold over 2,157 units in sales. That is about 19 lakh rupees in revenue. She is Aarti from Delhi. She is Asha from Bangalore. On her very first month, you can see she sold over 414 units. This is on July 2020, 30th of July 2020. During that month, her first month, she started with one product. She sold 414 units. That is about 6 lakh in revenue. Just a couple of weeks, 1 week back, I got the screenshot from same Asha from Bangalore. The date is like from 10th March to 10th April 2021. 10th March to 10th April 2021. In 1 month, she was able to generate 36 lakhs in revenue in just 1 month. She started in July as a free new seller. In March to April, 36 lakhs in revenue. She also shared me last 1 year screenshot. She did not even start this business in 1 year. Just 10 months passed. She crossed over 1 crore in revenue. She is Asha from Bangalore. And she has also given a testimonial in the in the Trustpilot. She mentioned, like, even though I started my business few months before taking this course, I got to learn so many new strategies which I'm implementing now and seeing amazing results. If someone follows the exact step mentioned in this course and work hard, then he or his success is going to be a sure shot. Yeah, I highly recommend taking this course. This is a testimonial in in Trustpilot. You can see that. So how much would you pay to launch one solid product like this? How much would you pay for this? You can see people are paying me, why people are paying me 9,000 to scale their business on Amazon. Every single day, people are paying me 9,000, depositing money into my bank account for my 1 hour consultation call. They're paying me 9,000 rupees because it is an investment. It is not an expense. It is an investment on you. It is an investment on your business to grow it. Now you can understand, even if you pay 9,000 for this program, it is going to be a great deal. I'm not going to charge you 9,000. I'm not even going to charge you 5,999. I'm going to charge you 5,999. Because you're here on live, I have a special offer today. That is, you can get started with this training program for 3,999. Only today, that too for a very limited time. Yeah. So I'm going to share the link in the chat box. And I'm also going to turn on the timer only for the fast action takers. Here is the link. I will share it in the chat box. So I just wanted to share a few things, and after that, I'm going to take all your questions. I just wanted to give you some perspective. For my 30-minute consultation call, I charge 5,000 rupees. I'm giving you 6 months worth of weekly calls. Every Thursday, you can join the weekly call. I'll be able to answer all your questions. Yeah. So don't wait, just jump into it. And now you have only 2 choices. Option number 1, you can do nothing. Yeah. Continue to do whatever you're doing. You can, I can see somebody where, typing in the chat box, he started selling, he's scamming and all those stuff. You can continuously, criticizing other people. You can continuously doing whatever you want. That is going to improve. That is going to do nothing to you, which is going to get you the same results that you're getting as of now. Yeah. If you're here until this point, I know you need change in your life. Yeah. So option number 2, you can take upon this small, tiny investment today, compare it to all the value that you're going to get. Just give it a shot. Just give it a try. If not now, then when are you going to do it? If not from me, from whom are you going to learn? Yeah. This is the time for you to jump. As Steve Harvey said in this morning video, God has given you, every single person, a gift. If you do not jump, you will not know what God has given you. This is the time for you to jump. I want you to jump now and take sign up, and I will be seeing you inside. So I also thought about this. I just went into Google and find out a meal for two in a mid-range restaurant, how much it is going to cost you. It will easily cost you 800 rupees to 2000 rupees meal for two. If you want to buy a pair of clothes with shoes, that will easily cost you 5,000 rupees. If you buy a sari to your wife, that will easily cost you 5,000 rupees. This tiny investment can really change the way you do business and most likely change it can most likely change your lifestyle. I don't want you to waste any more time. I want to jump now. And here is what when you're going to get when you sign up today. Lifetime access to Amazon Selling Mastery, private online community, street smart negotiation tactics, street smart product sourcing from India, weekly live Q&A call. The total value is 24,999. You're going to get all the entire bundle only for 3,999 until this timer hits 0. I'm going to start the countdown timer. Once this timer hits 0, this link will expire. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. I'll be able to answer. Blush and sign. Please, sir, confirm all this for 4,000. Yes. All this for 3,999. Yes, you are right. Sir, it's for full course. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Ashim Exim. Where is the link? Here is the link. Yeah. Here is the link. Kaushik, here is the link. Lifetime access. Yeah, 1+7, it is lifetime access. Yeah, you don't, it is not a subscription. It is not anything else. It is a lifetime access. You will be able to watch all the lessons. It is all pre-recorded. So it is all pre-recorded. You will be able to watch once you sign up now immediately. Once the timer hits 0, this link will expire. So if you have any questions, you can ask me questions now. So let me open the link and keep to expire. So, okay, where is it? Private online community is free for life. Yes, Ashish, private online community is free. Once you join, you will get access. Mohan, kindly answer. Please, Mohan, post your question. I might have missed it. Blush and sign, it shows 4199. Yeah, that the 155 rupees is like for payment gateway charges. You are right. Let me open the link and keep it for expiring. Okay. So are you live or is it pre-recorded? Faiz Siddiqui, I'm live. It is not pre-recorded. Rakesh Gawal, please post your question. Can get help in call also. No calls, no one-to-one calls. You will get all the trainings. It is all recorded. Yeah, all the 9 modules are recorded. Each stuff is recorded. If you have any questions, you can post it immediately in the community. People will be answering. All our community members will be answering your questions in minutes. If you want to ask me a question, you can come to Thursday call. I'll be answering all your questions. Yeah, FBA details in Maharashtra. It is available in day 2 video. Below day 2 video, you will be able to download all the FBA details. Mohan is asking, can we launch in 60 to 90 days with 50 lakh investment? Yeah, but no, you can definitely do that. There are people who have done this in 30 days. There are people who have done it in 60 days. There are people who have done it in 90 days. Definitely you can, but I highly suggest you have to start with one product. Once you know the entire process, then you can add multiple products at the one go. Mastery is recorded by you or pre-recorded by you. Yeah, Mastery, the entire program is recorded by me, by my own voice. 1+7, I have paid, please confirm. If you have made payment, do not need to worry. You will get access within 5 to 10 minutes. You will get an email from InstaMojo immediately, and you will get access email within 15 to maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Wait until 30 minutes. If you did not receive an email with access within 30 minutes, please message me on my WhatsApp. My team member will help you. Do not need to worry. You are in the safest hands. Congratulations on making the payment. Blush and Sign, congratulations, welcome on board. Ashish, congratulations, welcome on board. You will be receiving the access shortly. Training is in Hindi or English. Entire training is in only in English, because I have already told you in day one class, I do not speak Hindi. I am from Tamil Nadu. I speak only Tamil and English. The entire training is in English. My simple my simple plain vanilla English. Yeah, you will get the email. Please answer what I asked. Gurshan Singh, please post your question. Enrolled, congratulations, welcome on board. I don't know the name, 9EC780. Yeah. Rajkumar Sharma. Ashok, congratulations, welcome on board. Navdeep, congratulations, welcome on board. Satish, you have talked about only products that are outsourced. What about our own products? The process is exactly the same. We talk about people who do not have a manufacturing unit. If you already manufacture your products, you don't need to worry about the product selection part. You can directly send your goods to Amazon warehouse and start implementing the training. Blush and Sign, how much time do I need to give daily? You need to give at least 1 to 2 hours per day until you set everything up and running. After once everything is set and running, maybe 1 or 2 months, your product will be selling in consistent basis. Then you need 30 to 40 minutes or 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. Yeah, here is the link. Somebody is asking for the link. Harish, what if barcodes are already present on our product? Do we need to take them from Amazon? Where can we find the packaging manufacturer? We have covered about packaging, manufacturing, barcodes in day 2 session. If you have missed the day 2 live session, please go back and watch day 2 session. We have also covered that extensively in module number 3. Vipin, how do I get access to these videos? You will receive an email. I'm going to show you. Yeah, just give me 8 minutes. It is inside a secured membership area. You will receive an email. So just give me 8 minutes. I'm going to show you. Kaushik, already paid. Congratulations. Welcome on board. Avinash, congratulations. Welcome on board. Nadita, congratulations. Welcome on board. Kaushik, congratulations. Nalini Rajkumar, congratulations. Welcome on board. I have more designs, but 1 to 3 pieces. I highly suggest you have to start with one product. You don't need hundreds of products to make some good money on Amazon. You just need a handful of products to make money on Amazon. As I showed Asha's testimonial here, she started with one product and she launched one more product. Now she has only 2 products. With just 2 products, she was able to do 1 crore in last 10 months. You don't need hundreds of products, as I mentioned. So we just have 7 more minutes. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Aman Goyal, hello. Yeah, Aman Goyal, please post your question. I made the payment. Yeah, congratulations, Aman. Aman Goyal, you will be getting access immediately, maybe 10-15 minutes. Do not need to worry. You are in the safest place. Congratulations. Welcome on board. Arjun, please post your question. When this course will start? What is the schedule? Kaushi is asking. This course is already ready for you to watch. Everything is ready. You just need to jump into your members area. You just need to start watching all the trainings and you just need to start implementing. If you have any questions, you can post it in our community. Our community, other sellers will be answering you immediately. If you want me to ask me question, you can jump on to Thursday call. I will be answering all your questions. I'm going to show you how to access your members area in a couple of minutes. Carolyn paid, congratulations. Umesh paid, congratulations. Welcome on board. Ninad Bangre, please answer. Please post your question, Ninad. Vilas, congratulations. Welcome on board. Rajkumar Sharma, please post your question. Smarti Sweta, I don't have any experience in selling, exporting, nor I do have a company. Then can I sell it on Amazon? Is it possible? If you do not have, you can create all of these things. Without this, you cannot do it. In this training, we will show you how to create all of these things. You don't need to be already experienced in selling on Amazon. You don't need to be a business owner already. You don't need to have a company already. We will be showing all of these things inside the training. You will be able to do it. There are so many people who have already done this. Do we list the product and then send the material to Amazon? Yes, Prashant, that's right. You have to list it first and then you have to. BS Ravi Shankar, paid congratulations, welcome on board. Please send the link again. Here is the link. We just have 5 more minutes. So if you have any questions, you can post it here. The thing is, I have been doing this business for 5+ years now. I'm going to do this business for even more years to come. I'm not going to go anywhere. I'll be answering all your questions. Yeah, do not need to worry. Before timer hits 0, jump in and sign up and come back here. Raj, congratulations, welcome on board. And Sundara Raghavan, congratulations, welcome on board. Raj, I am a manufacturer, hope it will help me, looking forward. Absolutely, Raj. If you are a manufacturer, if you have a product, this is how the marketing works. I know how marketing works. I will teach you all that I know in marketing. You do not need to worry. Yeah, this is going to be a lifelong learning. Yeah, but see, still people are skeptical, right? Colleges does not teach you all this. If you look at my YouTube channel name, it is the Street Smart Education. That is what I wanted to teach everyone. It is, you will never find anywhere else. You will not be able to learn this in college. And nobody will teach you for 4,000, 5,000 rupees, like 10+ years of experiences. Definitely you can do definitely well. Faizi Siddiqui, payment done, congratulations. So here is the link. Somebody was asking. Arjun, please post your question now. We just have 3 more minutes. Geetika, please post your question. Of course, yes, Nandita. Is it really possible to find a supplier for a product on IndiaMart with 3x margin? Of course, yes. I have been doing this for years now. Definitely, there are hundreds of, not only me, there are hundreds of other sellers. If you come to our community, you will see. Zain Basir, congratulations, welcome on board. Your videos are for lifetime access. Yes, Rufin, lifetime access. Shushi Tripati is asking, where are the people posting questions? In the chat box only. I have muted 2 panelists and attendees because somebody will be, very negative minded. They will always think about what happens if this not work. What happened if that not work? See, in business, everything will be, in life and business, everything will become. You have to be ready. In life, whatever you think, that will definitely happen. Whatever you don't think, whatever you don't expect, that will also happen. You have to be ready. That is what these trainings and programs will help you and do that. Yeah. So that is the reason I have muted and to avoid all the negativities. Hope that answers. Aniruddha, congratulations. What do you mean by today's live? What do you mean by today's live? Means Yug, please post your question again. So Abhijit Goswami, can this help? Can this course help in selling in Amazon USA? This course is mostly towards selling in Amazon India. I have learned, my mentors are from all over the world. I am in multiple mastermind groups. I am learning from them. I am tweaking the strategies based on Indian market. I am implementing in my business. I am also teaching that in our community. That is what I do. But since I'm learning it from other places, it might also work there, but I have never tested it. So it should work well. So we just have 1 more minute. After 1 minute, this link will expire. And if you have any questions, you can ask me now. After 6 months, how do I contact? The thing is, why I mentioned the weekly call is for 6 months. After 6 months, I may not be doing this training. I do not know what is the idea I have for after 6 months. I don't have that much forecast. That is the reason I mentioned is for 6 months. If I'm going to continue this training, as long as I'm continuing, you will have that weekly call access. Please send the link. Here is the link. We just have 30 seconds and this link will expire shortly. Yeah, finally got it. So let me expire the link. And as I said, I'm going to give you the bonus. Just give me 2 minutes. I will be giving you the bonus as I mentioned in the earlier of this presentation. 646444322. I sent the payment. Congratulations. Welcome on board. Smita, welcome on board. So with that being said, so just give me 2 minutes. I'll be giving you this bonus. If you have any questions, please post it in the chat box. I'll be answering them also. For those of you who missed this 15 minutes timer, for some reason, you did not make the payment, that you did not sign up for this bundle, I have a special offer until tomorrow midnight. If you sign up to this entire bundle until tomorrow midnight, you can sign up using this link, amancentral.com/start. amancentral.com/start. So you will be able to get this entire bundle access, all the thing which I mentioned, like lifetime access to Amazon Selling Mastery, private online community, street smart negotiation tactics, street smart product sourcing, live Q&A session with me on Thursday. All these things you will be able to get it for 4,500 rupees until tomorrow midnight. For that, you need to visit. I have just shared the link in the chat box. If you want to sign up later, please make a copy of that and keep it. So this link will expire tomorrow midnight. So here is the bonus which I mentioned. amancentral.com/bonus. If you visit that link, you will be able to download all the bonuses from day 1, day 2, and day 3. Yeah, I have also shared the link in the chat box. Abhijit Goswami, please message me on my WhatsApp. My team member will help you. So, okay, we have Prameet, just subscribe. Congratulations, welcome on board. And those of you who signed up, Navni Arora, I have an answer. Please wait. I will answer you. Just give me a minute. Those of you who signed up, you will receive an email like this. You will receive an email like this. You just need to click on the confirm link. It will take you to a create password section where you need to create your password. Then you will be able to access your membership area. I will show you your membership area. Just give me a minute. This is how your membership area looks. Are you guys able to see ASM bundle? Type yes in the chat box. Are you guys able to see? Okay, cool. Mohit Madan, subscribe. Congratulations. So once you log into your membership area, this is what you will find. This is your core training, Amazon Selling Mastery. Here is where all your 9 module trainings are there. This is your core main training. Here is where you need to start. This is your bonus training, Street Smart Negotiation Tactics. This is your another bonus training, Street Smart Product Sourcing. And this is your weekly mastermind vault. Here is where I will record all the weekly Thursday calls and post it here. Here inside this, you will be able to watch all the previous weekly calls. It is from September 10th. On weekly calls, I also teach, if I wanted to teach anything new, on Thursday calls, I will teach. Here we can see I have taught 5 ways to differentiate your private label products from your competitors. And we have also talked about raving customer blueprint, how you can create a raving customer base for your brand. You might think your brand is very new. How you can create a raving customer base? Oh, so we have done a training on this. We have also done a training on 5 festival tactics. Amazon runs festival events like 5 times a year. If you have done an offline business, you know how important is Diwali is. In offline business, we only get one Diwali. If you are selling in Amazon, you will get 5 Diwalis every year, like back to school event, the Republic Day event, like what do you call Prime Day event. Amazon runs at least 5 events every year. This brings in massive traffic to the platform. In this training, I have showed you how to capitalize on these traffic to the fullest potential so that you will be able to get more orders. And we also covered so many things like we talked about custom duty calculation, how to calculate custom duty. We have also talked about shipping company details. I have given one of my students shipping company details. One of my students was using ocean freight, sea shipping. Ocean freight, a third party shipping provider, a private third party small shipping provider. He was using for some time, and they were doing good job. And I have shared the details. You can also use that shipping company. In this training, I have also showed you how to find other shipping companies in this training. We have covered so many things here. In a couple of weeks back, we have talked about A+ content. What is A+ content? And if I do not have anything to share, I will only take question and answers. If your questions are going to be 200 questions, I will not leave. I will take all your questions and then leave. Yeah, I will take all the questions and thus take all. This is how your membership area looks. Let's go back to these slides and take a few more questions. So Faizi Siddiqui, please post your question. And Nabin Arora. So these 3 days is nothing. We cannot start selling on Amazon by this only. See, these 3 days training will give you an overview of everything. I have planted everything, but you need to figure it out each step on your own. I have also given you resources to where to get help. Everything I have given you, but there is going to be a trial and error method. You need to try and error and making money, wasting money, timing, and all those stuff are there. You can do it yourself by this 3 days training alone. If you don't want to waste your money and time on trial and error, you can jump into this training. The thing is, success loves speed. You have to act in lightning fast. So you have to jump into this training to get to the next level. And Subramaniam, any particular time? No particular time. You can access at your own. You can access your training at your own pace. You can consume it. You can implement it at your own pace. Faizi, is it beneficial if Appareo calls us to sell our products? Normally, I don't go with Appareo or CloudTime. There are some of my friends who has given their brands to Appareo. Some of them are doing well. Some of them are not doing well. Why is it so? Is when you are doing well, Appareo will approach. They will approach. They will take a couple of times your stock. And once the sales goes down, they will not do the promotion. Once the sales goes down, they will not give you orders. They will kill your brand and give you a dead brand to your hand. So that is what the idea I have about this. Is my personal suggestion. I know friends, my own friends, some of them doing well with Appareo, some of them have killed their brand. Cherry Kurikos, please message me on my WhatsApp. My team member will be helping you. What is user ID and password for Aman Central? Nalini Rajkumar, please click your what do you call link on your email. That will take you to a page where you will be able to set your new password. If you are getting any error, just click on the forget password link. There will be a forget password link. You will be able to click on that. If you visit this learn. Yeah, if you visit this page, you will find a login button here. Click on login. You need to enter your email and password. Since you have not created it, you can click on forget password. You will be able to retrieve your new password if you have signed up. So Cherry Curios, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. My team member can help you. So Rajkumar Sharma, you can sign up until tomorrow midnight using this link. Yeah, you will be able to get the entire bundle for 4,500 rupees. Is that your question, Rajkumar? Blush and sign the entire module 2. Just watch entire module 2. Module 2 is about coming out with product ideas and validating your product ideas. Where is Sushil? Yeah, okay. Sushil's answer got answered. Okay. Yes, Vipin, I will come live on every Thursday night, 9 p.m. I think we are on time. So it's been a wonderful time. Rufin, payment done. Congratulations. Welcome on board. It has been a wonderful 3 days training. I really enjoyed sharing all that knowledge I have to you. I hope I have planted a seed in your head so that you can take it and, implement it in your own business. Yeah. Those of you who signed up, I'll be catching up you on your first Thursday call coming Thursday 9 p.m. Those of you who did not sign up for this training program, I'll be catching up you with a near future with another cool training like this. So see you soon. Take care. Congratulations. Thank you. Can we resell the local brand product under my brand name? No, you need to build your brand name. You need to put your brand name. Yeah, don't try to, you are going to create a brand. Yeah, that is what we teach you here. You don't need to sell local brands. Local brand products in the sense without a generic product. If it is a generic manufacturer, you find locally, you can ask him to print your brand name on it and you can get it. That is what we cover in this training. Yeah. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care. See you in another training like this soon.